Okay, so we're going to do the opposite of each of these numbers. The first number is 10/7. The opposite of this is going to be -10/7. Our next number is -5/3. The opposite of a negative is a positive, so these will be +5/3. Then our next number is 3.82. The same thing is true. If you have a positive, the opposite is a negative. And if you have a negative, the opposite is a positive. Just because these numbers look different doesn't mean any of that changes. So we have +3.2 or 3.82. The opposite is -3.82. And lastly, we have -6.5. So the opposite of this is +6.5.